This video is presented by Image Institute, a leading paramedical institute in Delhi. In this video, we will explain the diploma course in medical lab technology, which is commonly known as DMLT. DMLT is aimed for students who want to become a medical technician and work in the lab or similar setting. The course is of 2 years and includes basic training required to perform various tests and examine them to derive result in the medical field. The course contains fundamental knowledge of subjects such as pharmacology, blood banking, hematology, microbiology, biochemistry, physiology and human anatomy, etc. The jobs after DMLT are usually in a clinic lab setting. Some of the most common job sectors where there are enormous employment opportunities are government or private hospitals, pathological labs, minor emergency center, blood donor centers, healthcare centers, clinics, research facility, crime laboratories, universities and colleges, pharmaceutical companies and others. Interested diploma holders may go for advanced studies and pursue either advanced diploma or bachelor's degree course in the various disciplines such as microbiology, parasitology, chemical chemistry, immunology, serology, hematology, cardiology, radiology, etc. This is all for this video. Hope it was an informative video. If you are new to this channel, subscribe it for more informative videos. Thank you for connecting with Image Institute, Delhi.